beneath the surface of tropical seas, hiding in coral crevices and sandy burrows, lives a creature that defies the limits of biology. Small, brightly colored, and absolutely terrifying. This is the mantis shrimp, and it might just be the most extraordinary animal you've never heard of. With the curiosity of a cat and the reflexes of a bullet, the mantis shrimp doesn't just survive in its underwater world, it dominates it. But let's start with its eyes. On stalks that move independently, each eye can see the world in a way we can barely imagine. While humans have 3 types of color receptors, red, green, and blue, the mantis shrimp has up to 16. They can detect ultraviolet light, polarized light, and even the subtle changes in how light twists and bends through water. To us, a coral reef is colorful. To a mantis shrimp, it's practically glowing with hidden messages. Some researchers believe they may even perceive colors we don't have names for. But vision is just the beginning, because these tiny gladiators also have a punch, and not just any punch. In a split second, the mantis shrimp's claw unleashes the fastest strike in the animal kingdom, accelerating with the speed of a bullet. Its appendage moves so quickly, it boils the water around it. Yes, boils. The pressure is so intense, it creates a tiny bubble of vapor that collapses with a shockwave. That's called a cavitation bubble. And it creates light and heat as if the punch wasn't enough. So even if the mantis shrimp misses its prey, the shockwave can still stun or kill it. That means it punches twice, once with its club, and again with sound and light. It uses this superpower to crack open snail shells, crab armor, even aquarium glass. Nothing stands a chance. And this weapon, it resets in milliseconds, ready to fire again. There are 2 types of mantis shrimp: spearers, with razor-sharp arms that impale soft-bodied prey, and smashers, the punchers, built for brute force. Each one is a specialized predator, beautiful, but lethal. But even with all this power, mantis shrimp are precise. They don't waste energy. They time their attacks with surgical accuracy. In fact, scientists are studying their claws to design stronger materials, lightweight, fracture-resistant, and tough enough for aerospace engineering. From the way they see light, to the way they bend it through speed, to how they strike with explosive force, the mantis shrimp shows us just how strange and spectacular life on Earth can be. Because sometimes the most alien creatures aren't out there in space, they're right here, hiding in the reef, waiting to strike.